students, in earlier sessions I discussed the integration reduction formula for sine to the power of nx dx. So by taking different integrands like cos to the nx dx, we need to find its reduction formulas. Like that, for all the trigonometric functions, we need to find the reduction formulas. So tan to the n, secant to the n, cosecant and cot to the power of nx dx. Okay, so in this session I discussed the reduction formula for cos to the nx dx. So along with the limits 0 to pi by 2. As here you take this obtain the reduction formula for cos to the nx dx and hence evaluate. So integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the nx dx, where n is a positive integer. So for positive value of n only. Yes, to find its value, first to consider that integration of cos to the nx dx as some in. Okay, so let us take, let I is equal to, or in is equal to, let in is equal to integration of cos to the nx dx. In is equal to integration of cos to the nx dx. Here you write this in as in is equal to integration of, you write this cos to the nx as cos to the n minus 1x into cos x into dx. Again, by using integration by parts, that is integration of uv dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration of v dx into differentiation of u into dx. As by considering this is u and this is v, this is u and v, so here v is equal to cos x. So then what is integration of v dx? So integration of v dx is equal to integration of cos x. What is integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is plus sin x, not minus, it is a plus sin x. Okay, you can use this value directly here in place of integration of v dx. LL integration of v dx anta ide, allela direct agi sin x anta barkolona. Okay, so then in becomes, in is equal to integration of, first you take u. What is u? U is cos to the nx, cos to the n minus 1x, cos to the power n minus 1x into integration of v is sin x minus integration of v is sin x into u dash, that is the differentiation of u. Differentiation of u is n minus 1. I am differentiating its power. Okay, so that is cos to the n minus 1. Cos to the n minus, u is cos to the power of n minus 1x is there. Okay, so you take n minus 1 into cos to the power n minus 1 minus 1, that is n minus 2x. Again differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into dx, minus sin x into dx. Okay, so next step you simplifying this. Therefore in is equal to cos to the n minus 1x into sin x minus, take n minus 1 outside from the integration, minus into minus becomes plus, plus integration of sin x into sin x is sin square x into cos to the power n minus 2x dx. So that is in is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into integration of, you see here the sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So right, this is 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x into cos to the power n minus 2x into dx. Again, in is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into integration of 1 into cos to the power n minus 2x is cos to the power n minus 2x dx minus plus into minus minus n minus 1 into integration of cos square x into cos to the power n minus 2x becomes cos to the power nx dx. So now it is in is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into, you can write this is in minus 2 because in means it is cos to the power integration of cos to the power of nx. So integration of cos to the power of n minus 2x can be written as in minus 2. Okay, now it is minus n minus 1 into, and you can write this integration of cos to the power of nx is in. So because we are taking this integration of cos to the power of nx is in, so you can write this is expression 1 and you write, so this is from 1 okay. So now it is in is equal to in, and you take this term to left hand side, then it becomes plus, minus becomes plus n minus 1 into in is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2, n minus 1 into in minus 2. Again, you take in is a common factor here, so then it is 1 plus n minus 1 into in. This is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into this is in minus 2. Here this plus 1 minus 1 cancels, so remaining is n. You keep only in left hand side, so bring this n to right hand side, n na right side shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So then it gives that in is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x, this divided by n plus n minus 1 by n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. Okay, so this is the value of integration of cos to the power nx, integration of cos to the power of nx. Okay, so integration of cos to the power of nx can be written like this, or you can write this is or you can write integration of cos to the power nx dx is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n minus 1 by n into integration of cos to the power n minus 2x dx. You take this expression is 2. Okay, so actually this is the required value reduction formula for this cos to the power of nx dx. And again, for with the limit 0 to pi by 2, then what is its value is, so we already find integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of nx dx. sin ಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದೇ ತರ cos ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To find the value of this integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos to the nx dx, you take that is that the integrand as so that is let in dash, so just it is a notation, you can use in also, no problem. In dash is because I am already using in here, so for that reason I am taking it is in dash. In dash is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power of nx dx. We already evaluate integration without limit. Okay, just you keep that same value and you apply the limit to that one. Okay, then it is, which is equal to uh, cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x divided by n. I am writing this by using equation 2 because this is the integration of cos to the power of nx value. So write the same value and to that one you apply the limit. The limit apply ಮಾಡನಷ್ಟೆ. This with the limit 0 to pi by 2 plus n minus 1 by n into integration from 0 to pi by 2, integration from 0 to pi by 2 into cos to the power n minus 2x dx. Okay, when you apply the limit, which is equal to, this limit becomes 0 because ಯಾಕೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when you put upper limit is sin pi by 2 to the power n minus 2. What is sin 90? Sin 90, sorry, cos 90. First you take cos 90 to the power n by 2, n minus 1. Cos 90 is 0, so that value becomes 0. Like that lower limit ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 0 apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So when you apply 0 in sin 0 is 0. Sin ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cos ಗೆ 90 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so totally that first value becomes 0. Remaining is plus n minus 1 by n into, and you can write this is I n minus 2 dash. I n minus 2 dash. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ I n dash ಅಂದರೆ n ಇದ್ದಾಗ I n dash, n minus 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪವರ್, you can write it is I n minus 2 dash. So now I n dash is equal to, so therefore I n dash is equal to n minus 1 by n into I n minus 2 dash. Again, by using this expression 3, you take this is the expression 3. By using this expression 3, find I n minus 2 dash. So it is easy. Put n is equal to n minus 2 in above expression. Put n is equal to n minus 2. If you put n is equal to n minus 2 here, so then what it gives? I n minus 2 dash is equal to, change all n as n minus 2. So n minus 2 minus 1 divided by n minus 2. This into I n minus 2 minus 2 dash. That is, which is equal to n minus 3 by n minus 2. N minus 3 by n minus 2 into I n minus 4 dash. Again you find I n minus 4 dash and substitute there. Okay, so before that you use this value in the above expression by back substitution in I n. Now 3 becomes, using or substituting this in 3, substituting in 3, we get that I n dash is equal to, I n dash already ಏನಿದೆ, it is n minus 1 by n is there, that into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into I n minus 4 dash, I n minus 4 dash. Similarly, if you continuing like this, again you find I n minus 4 and again you substitute here. Okay, so finally what we obtain, if you go on continuing like this, so ultimately what is the final answer is, what is the final value is. Okay, so just I am imagine that when n is equal to 5, so when n is equal to, if n is equal to 5, then what happens? See, if n is equal to 5, I5 dash is equal to, it is 5 minus 1 by 5 into 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 into I 5 minus 4 is 1, I1 dash, I1 dash ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ I1 ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎನ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ. ವೆನ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ I1 dash. When n is even number, what happens if n is equal to, suppose n is 4, suppose n is 4, so then where it ends, I4 is equal to, it is 4 minus 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2 into I 4 minus 4 is 0, I not dash, I not dash. So when n is even number like this, when n is even number it ends with I not dash. When n is odd number it ends with I1 dash. Okay, so finally if you go on continuing like this, so finally we obtain that In dash is equal to In dash is equal to In dash is equal to, this is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on into I1 dash, and that last value is what? Again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 5 minus 3 means 2, 5 minus 2 means 3, so that is 2 by 3, 2 by 3 into I1 dash. This is 2 by 3 into I1 dash. And similarly this is when n is odd number. Okay, similarly it is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on. You see here, which is the last value, 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, this is 1 by 2 into I naught dash. So it is 1 by 2 into I naught dash. When n is even number, as here the question is what is I naught dash and what is I1 dash. Okay, so take this is the final value is 5 or 4. What is it? As it is 4, take this is 4. Okay, so now what is I1 dash? From 1, or you take it is I1 dash. Okay, from this expression you take this is 2 or you can take this a. Okay, from a we have that I1 dash is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 1x dx. What is the integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is sin x with the limit 0 to pi by 2. Limit apply ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, limit apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is sin 90 minus sin 0. Sin 0 value is 0, sin 90 value is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1. So again similarly I naught dash is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 0x dx. So cos to the power 0 means it is 1 into dx. Integration of 1 is x with the limit 0 to pi by 2, which is equal to pi by 2 minus 0 is equal to pi by 2. So I1 dash, well, I naught dash value is pi by 2, I1 dash value is 1. You substitute the same in expression 4. Now In dash is equal to, so now In dash is equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on and so on. That last value is, what is that value? So it is 2 by 3 into 1 when n is odd number, and it is 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So that is when n is even number. Of course, it is similar to integration from 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of nx dx. So both with the limits, both values are same. 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of nx dx ಏನಿದೆ formula, same formula ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore in dash means, so therefore integration from 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power nx dx is equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on into k. What is k? Where k is equal to 1 when n is odd number and k is equal to pi by 2 when n is even number. Okay, so this is the reduction formula for cos to the power nx. Sorry, I am writing it is sine. So this is the reduction formula for cos to the power nx. Reduction formula for cos to the power of nx dx is actually what we write here. Yes. Yes. So final values, you should remember this integration of cos to the power of nx dx is cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2, or integration of cos to the power of n minus 2x dx. Okay, what is the so by using this we can find the integration of cos with any degree, cos to the power 5, cos to the power 6, like that we can find any value. So just try one of such integrand, that is evaluate. Take this is evaluate it's not looks fair. Okay, evaluate integration of cos to the power 6x dx. Integration of cos to the power 6x dx. Okay, so to evaluate this one, first you take we know that integration of cos to the power nx dx is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n into integration of, or you take it is in minus 2 ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. You can take it is in minus 2. Integration ಸೇ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So you can take, okay, write it is cos to the power n minus 2. ಅದೇ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Integration of cos to the power n minus 2, cos to the power n minus 2x dx. You take this expression is 1. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆದ್ವಿ, ಇವಾಗಿನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಬರ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಪುಟ್ n is equal to 6. ಸೊ integration of cos to the power 6x dx is equal to cos to the power 6 minus 1 x into sin x divided by n value is 6, plus n is 6 minus 1 by 6 into integration of cos to the power n value is 6 minus 2 2x into dx, that is which is equal to cos to the power 5x into sin x divided by 6 plus this is 5 by 6 into integration of cos to the power 4x dx. Again, to find cos to the power 4x value, once again we need to use the expression 1. Expression 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ n place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. cos to the power 4 value ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So use the same formula to find cos to the power 4x value, which is equal to cos to the power 5x into sin x divided by 6 plus 5 by 6 into put n is equal to 4 here. E expression ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕಿ. So that is cos to the power 4 minus 1x by sin 4 minus 1x into sin x divided by 4 plus 4 minus 1 divided by 4 into integration of cos to the power 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2x dx. Okay. So now simplifying this, which is equal to cos to the power 5x into sin x, cos to the power 5x into sin x divided by 6 plus 5 into cos to the power 3x into sin x divided by 4. Actually this is 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5 by 6. 5 by 6 into this is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. We have to multiply 5 by 6 with both the terms. So it is 5 by 6 into 3 by 4. Again to find this value, again to find cos to the power 2x value, of course you use the formula also. So to find that value you put n is equal to 2 in this expression. Idralla n get 2 okay. So when you put n is equal to 2 here, what happens? This is cos to the power 2 minus 1x into sin x divided by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 into integration of cos to the power n minus 2, that is 2 minus 2 x dx. Okay, so that's all, which is equal to cos to the power 5x sin x divided by 6 plus 5 into cos cube x into sin x divided by 24 plus, here you can cancel 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 2s are, remaining is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 into this term, it is 5 by 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 into this is cos x into sin x. Cos x sin x. Again plus this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 5 by 8 gives 5 by 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16 into integration of 1x or 1 into dx. Integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 is x. Okay, you write that in next term, which is equal to cos to the power 5x sin x divided by 6 plus 5 into cos to the power 3x into sin x divided by 24 plus 5 by 16 into cos x sin x plus 5 by 16 into integration of 1 is x plus a constant. So this is the integration of cos to the power 6x dx. Of course it is a little bit lengthy problem. So again to find, so you take it as a homework. So try to evaluate this. Evaluate integration of cos to the power 5x dx. Cos to the power 5x dx. Again take one more problem. Evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 10x dx. So with the limits, so it is not at all a problem. So it may be any number. So you know that we know that it is easy also. We know that integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx dx is equal to cos to the power of nx dx is equal to it is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on 1 by 2 into pi by 2 when n is even 10 andre even number ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So that is when n is even number. So put 10 is equal to 10. Put 10 is equal to 10. So then we have integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 10x dx is equal to 10 minus 1 by 10 into 10 minus 3 by 10 minus 2 into 10 minus 5 by 10 minus 4 into 10 minus 7 by 10 minus 6, 10 minus 7 by 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 9 by 10 minus 9 by 10 minus 8 into pi by 2. As last value 1 by 2 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ pi by 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, which is equal to 9 by 10 into 7 by 8 into 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So here 5 ones are 5 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are again. Okay, so that's all, which is equal to 9 sevens are 9 sevens are anything gets cancelled, just find that values. 9 sevens are 7 63 63 pi 63 pi divided by 2 into 8 into 2 into 4 into 2 into 2, 4 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 16, 32 into 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 48 plus 3 it is 51, so it is 512. 63 pi by 512. So similarly you try another value, integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 7x dx. So use the same formula, it is 7 minus 1 by 7 into 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 2 into 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4 into 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7 ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 2 by 3 ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್, ಇಂಟು 1 ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 by 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ, 2 by 3 ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6 by 7 into this is 4 by 5 into 2 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are, which is equal to 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 divided by 7 5s are 35, 16 by 35. Okay, so like that you try to find some more values, like integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 12x dx, integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 9x dx. So try to find this. Okay, Yeah, so of course. Okay, I end these sessions. Hope you understand the reduction formula for integration of cos to the power of nx dx. Okay, next coming sessions, I would like to discuss that tan to the power of n and cot to the power of n. Okay, thank you.